Introducing the all-new 2025 Isuzu D-MAX, a powerful and versatile pickup truck that has taken the automotive world by storm. The D-MAX has come a long way since its first invention by the Japanese automaker Isuzu Motors. Originally launched in 2002, the D-MAX was designed to be a rugged, dependable workhorse that could handle tough terrains and heavy loads with ease. Over the years, Isuzu has constantly evolved its design and engineering, and the 2025 version is the most advanced and refined model yet. Isuzu, a company known for producing durable commercial vehicles and diesel engines, has infused the 2025 D-MAX with cutting-edge technology, superior safety features, and enhanced comfort. Japan is the origin of this incredible vehicle, but it has found major popularity in countries like Thailand, Australia, the UK, and several parts of Africa. In fact, Thailand is one of the biggest markets for the Isuzu D-MAX, where it has consistently been among the top-selling pickup trucks due to its reliability and strong performance. Globally, the D-MAX enjoys immense popularity because it appeals to both commercial users and lifestyle buyers. Farmers, construction workers, off-road enthusiasts, and city drivers all find the D-MAX a reliable partner. One of the main reasons behind its success is its outstanding performance. The 2025 Isuzu D-MAX comes equipped with a robust 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers powerful torque and smooth acceleration. It's built to handle extreme conditions, whether you're driving on highways, muddy tracks, or mountainous roads. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the new D-MAX. Despite its power, the engine is designed to consume less fuel, offering an average mileage of around 12 to 14 kilometers per liter, depending on the driving conditions. This makes it a practical choice for those who want both performance and savings in the long run. When it comes to capabilities, the 2025 D-MAX truly shines. It boasts a towing capacity of up to 3.5 tons and a payload capacity that supports heavy-duty work with ease. The suspension is upgraded for better handling, and the four-wheel drive system ensures that no terrain is too tough. Whether it's mud, snow, sand, or rocky surfaces, the D-MAX delivers a confident drive every time. The key features of the 2025 Isuzu D-MAX include a bold and aggressive exterior design, LED headlights, a refreshed front grille, and stylish alloy wheels. Inside the cabin, you'll find a premium feel with leather seats, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, multiple USB ports, and ample storage space. Advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 5-star crash safety rating make it a top pick for families as well. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Isuzu D-MAX is competitively positioned. Depending on the variant and features, the price ranges from approximately $28,000 to $45,000 US. This makes it a great value for money option in the midsize pickup segment. What truly sets the D-MAX apart in the market is its strong selling point, unmatched reliability. People choose the D-MAX not just for how it looks or drives, but because it lasts. Owners report years of trouble-free use even in the harshest environments. It's not just a pickup truck, it's a long-term investment. The 2025 Isuzu D-MAX is a perfect combination of power, performance, comfort, and value. Whether you need it for work or adventure, it's ready for anything. That's why it continues to be one of the most trusted and best-selling pickups in many parts of the world.